I know you'll be wondering, why am I dressed up like Sabinus? I am not Sabinus.
One man.
I'm using this video to talk to investors because Sabinus is an investor.
Actually, I'm an investor.
What do you invest in?
Now that's the issue.
Today, I want to be sharing with the first-time real estate investors on how to buy their first real estate land safely. So the first thing you need to do as a first-time real estate investor that wants to buy his or her first land is to have a budget. Yes, you need to have a budget. When you have decided to invest in the real estate industry, you need to have a budget. And not just to have a budget, you need to have a disposable income budget. What I mean by disposable income budget is the income that you can easily dispose, or the income when after buying land with it, you will not be in urgent need of it after 2 months or 3 months or even 1 year. That is why I put in disposable income budget, so that when you use this income to buy land, you don't rush and sell off your land because you have urgent need of the money back. So you need to have a budget. Putting up your budget, when you're putting your budgets together, please don't forget to add the fees for lawyers, fees for agents, fees for documentations, and fees for other inquiries, due diligences that you need to do before you buy the land. Don't forget to include all these fees. Jesus. The second thing you need to consider when buying your first landed property as a first-time real estate investor is the location of the land. Yes, I know you've been waiting for this one.
Will you keep quiet?
Location of the land. Some of you are budgeting 2 million, but the location you're looking at is Aja, Lekki Aja. You want to buy land in Lekki Aja and you're budgeting 2 million. You see, the location and the budget does not tally. Your budget must tally with your location. So sometimes it is very, very difficult to select the best location that will suit your budget. You don't need to bother about selecting the best location that will suit your budget. Why are we now here? Why do you have us? Yes. You have us to do the job for you. That is why we exist as a real estate consultant. We'll help you to look for this location that will suit your budget. Not just looking for this location that will suit your budget. Also look for the location that is fast developing, so that when you invest your money in the next 5-10 years, you're coming out with a huge amount of return on investment. That is what real estate is all about, and that is how to invest. Locations really, really matters in real estate. Yes, it really, really matters, because there are some places where you invest your money, it will take you much time for you to get those money, get your return on investment back.
Wow, that's so crazy.
But there's a place where you can also put the same amount of money in few years. You make a lot of return on investment, a lot of profit from your investment. So location really, really matters. And when considering a location, consider a real estate consultant.
Bam.
The last thing you need to consider is you need to consider buying from a real estate company. Please, I beg you. If you want me to need and make I need and beg you.
Yes.
I need to beg you. If you are buying land, especially landed property, as a first-time real estate investor, please, I beg you, don't go to Chibuike, don't go to Emmanuel, don't go to the family of Okeke and Okafor. Please, I beg you, buy from a real estate company. Yes, why? Buy from a real estate company. Real estate business is a very high risky business, but buying from a real estate company will reduce the amount of risk that is involved in the real estate industry. Yes, it will reduce it for you and give you less stress. The only thing you need to do is to make sure that the real estate company you are buying from are capable and genuine. Aside from that, you don't need any other thing to worry about, because other stress that you have to undergo as an investor that is buying land or investing in the real estate industry, the real estate company are already there to undergo those stress. So your own is just to pay them and go home and sleep. So you need to buy from a real estate company, especially when you're buying your first real estate property. Buy from a real estate company. Leave anything anybody is telling you about real estate companies. Please consider buying from a real estate company. It will make you self to learn how to buy land. From there, you can now transcend into buying from communities, from the villagers. And you don't need to stress yourself going to community just to buy one plot. You just need to go to a real estate company and they'll give you a land that suits your budget and you'll buy from them. And also, remember what I said. Before you commit your money to them, know whether they are genuine and capable. If you contact me before you buy this land, I will help you to give you the best real estate company that are existing in Nigeria. I'll also give you some free consultation on how to actually prepare on this journey of investing in the real estate industry. So what are you waiting for? Just call my dial my number and put a call across, or chat us on WhatsApp, or reach out to us using the link that you see in any part of this video.
Clap for her.
I know you have gotten so many information from this video. Don't forget to like, share, and follow this page so that you'll be seeing this kind of videos. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Amen. See you in my next video.